Welcome to the Generic Tech Support YouTube channel. By watching this channel, you are accepting that the content on this channel is intended for educational purposes only. We strive to provide valuable information to help you enhance your technical understanding. We do not condone the use of pirated software. Please respect local copyright laws and support software developers by using legitimate purchased products. All testing conducted on this channel is done in compliance with the Consumer Review Fairness Act and the United States Fair Use Act under Copyright Law, Section 107 of the U.S. Copyright Act. We aim to provide honest reviews, security configuration tricks, tips, and how-tos. While we make every effort to deliver 100% tested solutions, we acknowledge that we don't know everything. If you have additional insights or corrections, please share them in the comments. Like and subscribe to keep up with the latest OS reviews and security tips. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content.
Help! I can't get Windows 11 to update to the latest build number. What do I do? I'm going to show you how to fix this issue, which is common on all Windows 11 versions. Whether you're on 22H2 or 23H2 or even 24H2 and you want to get to the latest build number, I'm going to show you how to manually modify the registry to force Windows to look for the latest build number, even if you're on a version that is no longer supported by Microsoft. So to fix this, it's relatively simple. What you're going to do is you're going to right-click on Start, and you're going to choose Run. And you're going to type in regedit. It's R-E-G-E-D-I-T, and you're going to click on OK. And that's going to open up your registry editor. Now, if you've had your registry editor opened in the past, you may be in an obscure location. You're going to want to go back to the root directory, which means you'll click on each one of these carets until your screen looks like this. Once you're back at the root where everything looks like this, you're going to choose HKey Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows, and underneath that, you're going to see a bunch of different keys. So we're going to start off by creating a folder, or in this case, a key. We're going to right-click and choose New Key. And that's going to create a new folder that's going to say New Key 1, or it should. If it says 2, then something else is already wrong. But it should say New Key 1. Now, this is case sensitive, and what we're going to type in here is Windows Update. Make sure you spell it correctly, and then just click Elsewhere. And you'll see the Windows Update key get created. The next thing I want to do is we're going to want to create what product this is for. So we're going to right-click and we're going to choose New, and we're going to choose String Value. Once again, this is case sensitive, and this should read out Product Version. And then we're going to hit Enter. So it's not enough just to put Product Version in here. We're going to have to right-click on this and choose Modify. And then we're going to have to enter the value of Windows 11, with Windows being capitalized, a space, and then the number 11. And then we're going to click on OK. Next, we're going to have to turn the switch on that says that this particular setup allows the system to look for 24H2. And in order to do that, we're going to have to add a D-word value. Don't worry, this is not as bad as it sounds. So we're going to right-click again, and we're going to choose New, and we're going to choose D-word 32-bit value, and we're going to click. Once again, it's going to create something that's new that we're going to have to add some data into this, and it's case sensitive. And this data specifically is target release version. Make sure you spell it correctly, and then you'll just click Elsewhere on the screen. Next, we have to modify the target release version, which is relatively easy. We're just going to right-click on this, and we're going to choose Modify. And then we're going to make sure it says hexadecimal. And we're going to choose the number 1 and click on OK. Now we have to tell the system specifically what version we want to upgrade to. Whether we're on 22H2 or 23H2 doesn't make any difference. Even if you're on 24H2 and this is being shown to you years later and you want to upgrade to 26H2, it's going to be the same setting, the same change. Okay, so we're going to create another string value. So we'll right-click on this and choose New and do String Value. And in this value, we're going to add Target Release Version Info. And it's capitalized at each word. And once you have it in there correctly, you'll just hit enter on your keyboard. So this will show you now that we have target release version info. So what we need to do is we need to add the build number we want to upgrade to. Now, once again, if you're on 24H2 and you're upgrading to 26H2, that's what you would put in here. For the sake of this video, we're going to upgrade this 23H2 system to 24H2. So we're going to right click, choose modify, and we're going to type in 24H2. And then we're going to click on OK. Now, once this is completed here, all we have to do is reboot the system. And then when the system comes back up, we'll just check for updates again, and we should see the 24H2 build available to download and install. So there you go, guys. I just rebooted, and we could see 24H2 is now in the state of downloading to update the system from 23H2 to 24H2.